Hello, it's 2E0 Mike Romeo Sierra. I've spoken to a lot of people today. We've had quite a busy station on the showground here. A lot of people have asked for the video on the new project. We're here at Onslow Park Steam Rally, just outside of Shrewsbury. And we've got the RB44 and the Vixen electronic warfare unit. I'll take you around the basics of this is the RB44 behind me. Perkins Phaser turbo diesel. Designed for radio, FFR, split 12 and 24 volt charge. It's not really kitted out with anything at the moment. This is the next project from the warfare unit. We've been working a lot of places today. A lot of questions asked about the truck. This is the truck. We've got some photographs as well that will be included on the QRZ page. And if you want to have a walk round, it's 4x4, high ground clearance, Dana axles, 5-speed box, vacuum operated diff locks. A lot of people say different things, but certainly I've driven it off-road towing the trailer across muddy fields and I've had no problems whatsoever with it. Plenty of torque where you need it, it does the job. We have the area here. This is the split charge system. It's generator input or run off the batteries on the vehicle, and this gives us the 24 volts that the rubber kit would run from. The battery compartment contains 4 standard NATO 90 amp, 109 ampere hour batteries, and that generally will give you enough power for the radios and the kit that would be in the vehicle. Move on round back, we've got emergency escape hatch, additional lockers. We have the rear of the unit, which is coupled with the Vixen at the moment, the Vixen system. They are interchangeable units as well. The unit, the Vixen unit, will also sit on the truck, and there are several other options that could be used. It's screened and insulated. Standard NATO military build. We're currently running a couple of whips into 321, and we've had that in the back of there. Also some modern radio amateur as well. This is the electronic warfare system. This was acquired quite close locally to us. There weren't many of them built. They are made by Plessey. Given the code name Vixen, but they were to supersede the Vampire system, which had been used for many years. It was very much a manual process, and this was designed to automate that process. We moved round. We have ground and earthing locations, generator inputs as well, which is designed to make everything very quick and easy to set up. We're currently using now just a single ground spike, which we've been using for this afternoon. Probably a lot of you viewing this have spoken to me today, and I know I had several requests to put forward information about this, and obviously this is what we're doing now for you. Emergency escape hatch on this unit also. The trailer is NCRS based, designed for the community radio system. During the Cold War, or certainly late Cold War. The trailer is an exact swap with the unit that would have been on it. So we moved round, we have put a lot of work in already dismantling. We've got the folded dipole on the ground now. We've just taken that down, we raised that on a halyard, and that's now being put away. That's what I've worked a lot of new stations with today, this weekend. And we move on to the Clark mast. This is the Scam 12 mast, heavy duty mast, 12 metres high. Currently we've got dual band Yagi at the top on a rotator. That will do 2 and 70. Quite a nice design as a SOTA Yagi. It's quite a nice portable and easy to handle antenna. You may get better performance from Diamond X50 or similar co-linear, but that seems to do the job very well. It's a pneumatic mast, so we can put it up with a small compressor, and that would be, we've got a drain cock for draining the water, and we've also got the standard Clark attachment for putting the mast up. We have a broadband antenna also on the roof that works with the VHF military radio. If we come round to the rear of the Vixen, we get my little camera girl here to just go through. Currently in the Vixen, what we'll do is we'll get her to go in and film some of it for you. We start on the left, and we've got the switch panel for the no, down there, sweet pea, down by the fans, just there, look. We've got the control panel, and that's the 24 volt control panel for the unit. This manages generator inputs. You've got alarms for loss of charging sync into the unit. We've also got 8 coaxial fans there above the distribution unit, which drag air through when it's getting really hot. You're now looking at our 19-inch rack, which contains a UPS conditioning system and mains feed, also Cisco base router, 3G, 4G and switch for the local network in the unit. Now if we move round to the next cab, this is where the Vixen system would be located. Unfortunately, we're busy trying to source parts for this and equipment, and that's part of the restoration and the future development of this unit. Currently in that rack we're using a custom built PC for basic logging, weather, PSK modes, other control modes, the All-Star Network HubNet, which goes through there. We then move round to the radio position. Currently this is kitted out with some of our standard civilian equipment that we use, the 450 Yaesu. We have a Chinese dual band unit there for 270, and a DMR based vehicle system as well, and the antenna tuning kit there, I believe, as well. Then really on the far end towards me at the door now, we have this is the original communications rack for the Vixen unit, and this would have housed a 321 with a DMU or similar crypt system, and this would have been for general comms. Currently we've got a Jaguar based system in here, and we've also got a Raycall intelligent charge system, which is something we're going to use for some of the SynCal and other portable PMR based radios that we've got, and to charge up when we need it. That's it really for the unit. As I say, it's start of restoration. We've got quite a lot of work to do still, but I will update you guys. We'll try and get some more information as things develop, and probably when we're a bit cleaner and we're not putting things away, we'll try and get something done for you. But certainly open to suggestions for the rear of the truck. We put a bit of a bed in there at the moment, but I would have liked to have restored the rebro system. We do have the Clansman kit to do it, and I have the arms based repeater and rebro control system as well. But we shall have to see how things go. There's an awful lot of work to do. This is my retirement project, so we'll see what we can do. We have on the floor over here as well, we've got a boxed, that green box there, is he? We've got the Linwood's PC. I believe that was a prototype to face, and the intelligence or artillery spotting system. And then we have the Hobson generators, or Hobbs generator, which is 12 to 24 volt generator, about 700 watts or equivalent, and that's on the floor behind it. But hopefully that's been informative, and certainly helped you with some ideas about what we're doing with the unit and the way that we're going. Keep an eye out for us. We are about at some of the big shows, and we do a lot of field events as well. and you've actually got a reasonable shot of me today. So it's been a long 24 hours, so I'm ready for going home now. So I'll say 7-3s to all, and thank you for viewing again, and hopefully we can get a few more videos to you over the next year and make it a little bit more interesting. Many thanks. 73s.